Welcome to my live. We have our board and base that is a double-sided board. I had done one side of it, bless this mess, the other day on my live. And today we're going to do the opposite side with the Love You Dearly transfer. I've also chosen orange peel and bright white chalk paste. And I'm using mini squeegees from my mini squeegee pack to do for paste color. Now I'm just trying to make sure my live feed is up so that I can see comments, and then we will get started. So the board and base is a nice set. It's $7.99, and because it's double-sided, I think it's like makes the perfect first board. I love our double-sided boards because of the ability to flip it when you get tired of one side. You can flip it to the other side. And you can't beat the $7.99 price for that. This durable, washable surface. And I don't know if you've seen the detail of our boards, but there's like a, I don't know if you call it like a dimpling texture, which is excellent for our chalk paste and inks because it grabs the chalk paste and can hold it on the surface. It's not a slippery surface. Like the texture makes it perfect. And both sides have that. And all of our boards, our whiteboards and our chalkboard blackboards all have that texture, which is nice. All right. Okay, let me go ahead and peel this transfer off of the backing. And we'll pick up some lint from my fuzz cloth. I was trying to think of what color deer antlers are, and I think I'm pretty okay to say they're whitish. They can be more of a off-white color, just depends. But I'm going to do white because I think the fawn color is a little dark. All right, so just going over that. All right, so we have bright white, which I think is a little bit thick. Add a little bit of water to that. And then we have orange peel, which I'm going to do the words in. Those both seem pretty good. Okay, let's do the center words first. Okay, so we're just smoothing and kind of scraping off the extra. Put it back in the jar. All right, now we're going to hit the antlers with some bright white. And you can smooth that out. Okay, let's come down a little closer for our reveal. Look at the edge here. And there we have it. Very cute transfer. So cute. I love it. Whether you have deer hunters in your family or not, this is a very cute sign and a very cute saying between you and your family and friends. Love it. A little bit of white piece there. There you have it. Love you dearly. A size transfer on our board and base. Very cute. Thank you for watching. Have a great week. Bye now.